Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sync with iCloud. First, make sure all your Apple devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. This is crucial for iCloud to recognize and link your data. Next, verify you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, to ensure smooth and efficient data transfer. We'll cover the basic steps to get your information flowing seamlessly between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. To begin, open the Settings app on your device and tap on your name at the very top. From there, select iCloud. You'll see a list of apps that can use iCloud. Simply toggle on the ones you wish to sync, like photos, contacts, or calendars. This ensures your important information is always up to date across all your devices, making your digital life much easier to manage. iCloud offers 5 GB of free storage, but you might need more. To check your current usage, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. If you're running low, consider upgrading your storage plan directly from your device. Alternatively, you can free up space by deleting old device backups or large, unnecessary files. Efficient storage management keeps your sync running smoothly. If you encounter any syncing issues, a simple restart of your devices can often resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure your operating system is updated to the latest version, as this often includes important bug fixes and performance improvements for iCloud. For more persistent problems, you might need to sign out and then back into iCloud. And hey, if you're looking for a fresh scent for your car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.